Hello, I'm Dalia, and I'm calling my friend Anna because we're going on a night out to 2 different events, but I need your help to get ready. Hi, babe.
Hi, girl.
How are you?
I'm good. I'm just getting ready for tonight.
Where are you heading?
I'm going to a dinner party, actually.
Oh, cool. What makeup look are you going for tonight, babe?
I'm going for big eye or like lips. I'm not sure yet, but you have to help me.
Okay.
I just ordered this new dress.
Where from?
It's from Zalando. I ordered the dress and a lot of makeup. I have to show you.
Cool.
What do you think about this color? It's my MAC palette. I just bought it. It's red. Good.
Yeah, I think it looks good, but I also like the one underneath, you know?
Maybe I put it underneath my eyelid. You're right.
I found this new Studio Fix fluid from MAC, and it's really amazing because it has a really nice coverage, but you can still see my freckles, you know?
I love all makeups that are super light and do not cover that much. It's good.
Yeah. Babe, I can't wait for Mallorca.
I still can't wait. And I hope it's still sunny.
Yeah. I'm gonna show you my 2 dresses now.
I love the green one. I already know it. It's perfect.
Ben also says this one. Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
Totally see it on you.
Okay, I'm gonna trust you. I also love it. So I'm gonna change and then see you in a second.
Okay, you change and I do the contouring. Or at least I try it. Oh my god. Oh my god, Julia, you look amazing.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
I got this new eyeliner, yellow. I was like, maybe I'm gonna try out something new.
Looks perfect. You should definitely try it. Julia, can you bring the eyeliners to our holidays?
Sure thing, yes. Our holidays are always the best, right?
You remember our first holiday in Italy last year? Oh my god. Do you remember when we broke into the swimming pool?
We climbed the fence.
We climbed it, and then the woman came who owned the swimming pool. Oh my god, she was crazy. She was so angry.
You guys have to leave.
Maybe this year we have to behave a bit more.
Or maybe not. Also, Anna, I wanted to ask you, my sister, she's doing these pole dance classes. Would you like to join me? I'd love to try out new stuff, you know?
Yeah, let's do it together. Sounds amazing. We live in Berlin. We have so many options. We can do so much, so we should definitely try out more.
Yeah, exactly. With makeup, with clothes. I'm gonna try out the yellow eyeliner now.
Oh yes, do it. I'm super excited. I think I'm going with a lipstick, or do you think it's too much? I try it and then we decide, okay?
Cool. I can't wait to see your final look.
What do you think? No?
Nah.
You can say it out, it's okay. I can handle it. This looks amazing, Julia. I love it. I love the color.
Thank you so much.
It's popping. You look amazing.
Mwah, babe. Super cool.
Can't wait to see you.
Have fun tonight.
Have fun too. Talk to you soon.
See you.
Bye.
Bye.